This drone came with us because it's having a problem in the spraying system, exactly in the liquid level meter module. If we see here, the liquid level motor is on the base, but here in the remote controller we can see that the drone it's marking 12 liters, so it's having a problem, a false level. So if I level up, here it is, I level up, look, I'm having this mark. It's here on the top, and if I let it drop in the remote controller, marks to the base, but here we can see one and it's in zero here. But if I level up again, here it is here, and I'm gonna drop it again. So the customer says that this drone it's having so much problem because sometimes the liquid level also got stuck, and in the remote controller sometimes says that it's well the liquid level or not. So we're gonna change the liquid level to see if the problem is fixed.